Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create modern sticky header with Elementor free plugin and free add-on. Yes, Elementor Pro no need. If you want your menu to stay visible while scrolling, then this tutorial is perfect for you. But before jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Hindi, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. And I have published how to create website with Google AI Studio and deploy it in free server. So if you want to learn WordPress and if you want to make website for your own business, for your client, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Then let's get started. Very fast, let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. You can see this is an example website. Very fast, you can see it shows a very fancy header. This is the header. If I scroll down, then you can see this is the footer. So if you want to create this type of modern fancy header and footer with Elementor free plugin, then you can check my previous video and I have given the link in this video description. Okay, so if I scroll down, then you can see the header is sticky. So in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create this type of sticky header with Elementor free plugin and add-on. Okay, so navigate to the another tab and this is the website where I want to create header and sticky header as well. So very fast we have to install two Elementor add-on which is completely free. Don't worry, I have given the link in this video description. So go to the admin dashboard and hover over on plugins, click over here add plugin. From right side you can see the search box. You have to search from here. So very fast just search elements kit which need to create the header. Okay, so type here elements kit. This is the add-on which we need to create header with Elementor. So click install now, then the activate. After install and activating the add-on, you can see new option is added in left side. If you hover on it, elements kit, then you can see element kit and header footer, widget builder and form. And this is the element kit slide. If you click over here settings, then you will go to the element kit settings dashboard. So I can go from here, click over here settings. That's great. You can see this is the elements kit settings page. So very fast, configuration tab is selected and basic is recommended. It's okay. Then scroll down, you can see this is the module. Actually you can see it has lots of modules which most of them are pro and some of them are free. So in this tutorial I want to create header only, so I have to enable this module. You can see already it enabled. So if you can it disable, then just click this toggle button and enable it. Then scroll down. Okay, then click over here next step. Then you have to give a mail address here. Next step again, I don't want to this module or widget, so I can disable it. Then continue. Next step and again complete setup. You can see it's almost complete. Yes, great, you are all set. And click over here, go to WP dashboard. That's great. You can see this is the elements kit dashboard and you can recheck it from here module and you can see header footer module is enabled. It's perfect. Now we have to install another add-on. That's why go to the again plugins and click over here add plugin. Then search here sticky header effect for Elementor. That's great. You can see this is the sticky header effect for Elementor. Just click over here install now, activate. That's great. Now I have to configure another one from the Elementor. Just hover on it, then click settings. Then post type, you can see default post and pages are selected. Actually I have to select another option. That's why I want to create header with the Elementor. That's why check other boxes and save changes. Okay, Again go to the website and refresh it and check it how does it looks. It's great. Again go to the dashboard, and now I have to create header. So hover on elements kit, you can see this is the element kits, and create header footer. Just click over here, then the add new template, just click here, then you can see a pop-up will open, and you have to give a title here. I want to give like main header. Okay, capital letter, first letter will be capital. Okay, main header, that's great. Then the type, you have to select header and enter website. Definitely I want to show this header for enter website, and activate deactivate. Click here and activate it, then click here edit content. That's great. You can see this is a pop-up. Now you can close it from here, and if you want then you can create header from very scratch, and if you want then you can use their pre-built header. Actually in this tutorial I want to use pre-built header, that's why this is the elements kit icon or logo. So you have to click over here, then all pre-built template will show here. You can see all templates are available here, and very fast it appears 3 tab like templates, then the pages and section. You have to select this option, sections. Okay, and left side category, if you hover on it then you can see it shows lots of category. You have to click here header, that's why I want to create header. Okay, and you can see lots of pre-built header are here. So if you hover on it then you can see go premium. So most of them are premium, and some of them are free. So in this tutorial I want to use only free version. So you can see this is the header. I think it's perfect for me. So click this here, click this insert icon. Okay, you can see the header is imported. Now publish it and go to the website, then refresh it and check it how does it looks. Yes, you can see the theme default header has been gone. Now our custom header is showing here. I have to change the style. Again go to the Elementor editor, and I can give logo from here. Click this pencil icon and change the logo. I want to upload from my computer. Okay, that's great. From the right side bottom click select this logo, then click here, this is the menu. You can see this is the menu pencil icon, and you have to select menu from here. This is the main menu. Actually sometimes you can see the menu here. In this case you have to create menu from the dashboard. So go to the admin dashboard and hover on appearance, then click over here menus. That's great. Okay, you have to create menu from here. Actually already I have created the menu, that's why it shows here. So main menu, you can see it showing. So publish it, and I want to change the background color like as my demo site. So just I can copy the background color from here. This is the background color, it's perfect. Again go to the Elementor editor and click just right click, then the structure. Okay, I want to give like this container. So navigate to the style tab and give here, this is the background color, it's perfect. Now I want to change the text color. So again click this pencil icon, then the style tab, then you can see menu item. I want to change the color from here. Don't worry, if you want to make this type of header and footer with Elementor, then you can check my previous video. I have given the link in this video description. Then you'll be able to make this type of fancy header and footer with Elementor free version. Okay, again go to the editor and publish it, then go to the website and refresh, then check it from here. That's great. You can see this is our custom header, and if I scroll down and you can see main header is disappeared. Actually I want to stick this header. That means if anyone scroll down then the header will stick here. So again go to the Elementor editor, and if you want then you can stick it like top bar and main header. Actually I want to stick only main header. Okay, so again go to the editor and right click and structure, then you can see this is the actually main header. This is the main header container. Okay, just click on it, then navigate to the advanced tab. This is the advanced tab. You can see just I can close this toggle and sticky header effect. Click on it, then enable it. Actually it shows here only for this add-on, like go to the again install plugin, and this is the sticky header effect for Elementor. So if you installed and activated it, then you will get it here. Okay, so sticky header effect, and enable one desktop, tablet and mobile. Definitely I want for all devices. Okay, so it's perfect for me. Publish it and go to the website, refresh it and check it again. Okay, that's great. Scroll down. Yes, you can see the header is sticky. And if you want, then you can change the background color, the sticky header background color. So again, go to the Elementor editor and scroll down and check what is the background color. It's perfect. You can see this is the background color. Okay, click here, and background type color, it's okay. Color you can change. Just I want to give it only for test purpose. Publish it and go to the website, refresh it and check it from here. Yes, that's great. You can see the sticky header background color has been changed. So in this way you can customize it from here. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks.